Calculator in Pascal.
To develop a simple text-based calculator that can perform arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
The first step, ensure you have the Pascal compiler installed, such as Pascal. Second step, create the Pascal program.
Step-by-step explanation of the text-based calculator program in Pascal. Step 1. Program initialization. 1. Declaring the CRT unit. The first thing we do is declare the CRT unit. This unit is essential because it provides access to special functions that deal with screen and keyboard operation. For instance, it allows us to clear the screen and read input from the keyboard, which are crucial for creating an interactive program. 2. Declaring variable. Next, we declare the variable we will use in the program. Number 1 and number 2 are of type real variable. This variable will store the first and second number entered by the user. 2. Operation is char type variable that will hold the arithmetic operation chosen by the user. 3. Result is another real type variable. We will store the result of the arithmetic operation. Step 2. Main program implementation. In main program, we start the main part of the program by clearing the screen using the clear screen function. This ensures that any previous text on the screen is erased, providing a clean slate for the program's output. 2. Displaying the program title. The program then print the title simple text-based calculator and a line of dashes below it. This not only make the program look organized, but also inform the user about the program purpose. Step 3. Reading user input. 1. Reading the first number. The program prompts the user to enter the first number by displaying the message "Enter first number." It then reads the user input and stores it in the num1 variable. 2. Reading the arithmetic operation. Next, the program asks the user to enter the arithmetic operation they want to perform. The user can choose from addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. 3. Reading the second number. Finally, the program prompts the user to enter the second number and store this input in the num2 variable, like a num1. Step 4. Processing the arithmetic operation. 1. Choosing the operation based on user input. The program uses a case statement to determine which arithmetic operation to perform based on the user input stored in the operation variable. 1. If the user chooses addition, the program adds num1 and num2 and store the result in the result variable. 2. If the user chooses subtraction, it subtracts num2 from num1. If the user chooses multiplication, it multiplies. If the user chooses division, the program checks if num2 is not 0 to avoid division by 0 error. If num2 is 0, it displays an error message and exits the program. If the user enters an invalid operation, the program displays an error message and exits. Step 5. Displaying the result. 1. Showing the calculation result. After performing the chosen operation, the program displays the result. It uses the writeLine function to print the result with 2 decimal places for clarity. 2. Waiting for user input before exit. Conclusion. The simple text-based calculator program in Pascal is a great introduction to basic programming concept. It covers 1. Input or output, how to read from and write to the console. 2. Variable, how to declare and use different type of variable. 3. Control structure, how to use case and if statement to make decision based on user input. error handling, basic and less error handling, basic techniques to handle common error such as division by zero and invalid operation. By following the step, you can see how a structured approach to programming can create a functional and user-friendly application like a free Pascal. And finally, I will provide an example of the output from running and compile the program we created earlier. Please enjoy and review the explanation I have provided. I apologize for any shortcoming and thank you for watching. Best regards.
How to run the program. 1. Save the program as calculator point pass. 2. Open command prompt or terminal. 3. Navigate the directory where you save the program. 4. Compile the program with Pascal.
Explanation. The program starts by clearing the screen using clear screen from the CRT unit. It enters a repeat loop that continues until the user decides to stop. The user is prompted to enter a number and an arithmetic property.
This project is a basic example for beginners learning Pascal and provides a good foundation for understanding input or output operation, loop, and conditional statement in Pascal programming.
Thank you for watching.
We hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful.
Until next time.
Stay safe and take care. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.